is sustained in the eyes of law and is hereby set aside. Next para. As far as charge number 1 is concerned, comma, it is evident that there was more than 50% recovery of the sanctioned loan amount, and the outstanding was shown as 1,31,058 as on 16/10/2012, full stop. It is though mentioned as NPA in 2009, but it was not pointed out that if the account had become NPA, then why steps were not taken to auction the mortgage property, so to recover. ठीक है, चलिए, to auction the agriculture commodity or the land of the petitioner on the basis of which loan was sanctioned, and therefore for the act of delinquency of the superiors of the petitioner, comma, petitioner cannot be said to be fully responsible for charge number 1 as has been held by the inquiry officer, full stop. Thus, when the gravity of charge number 1 is examined, then it is evident that once the account had become NPA in 2009, as is mentioned in the charge sheet itself, then when charge sheets were issued on 4/6/2009 and 3/5/2012, then bank should have taken that charge into account. But for their failure to take that charge into account, they were not entitled to invoke a stale charge to get rid of the petitioner, full stop. Therefore, that charge being not so grievous and the punishment imposed in regard to charge number 1 being totally disproportionate is hereby set aside. Matter is remitted to the disciplinary authority to impose a lesser punishment in view of the findings of the inquiry officer in regard to charge number 1. Full stop. Petitioner be reinstated in service forthwith with all the benefits. जी जी हाँ, क्या है उसमें?
मैनेजमेंट का रिप्रेजेंटेटिव आया, उसने बोला कि तीनों खाते बंद हो चुके हैं एट टाइम जब ये इंक्वायरी होगी।
कहाँ बोला, बताइएगा एनेक्शर। हाँ, तो मतलब उसने पैसा जमा कर दिया ना। हाँ, चलिए, वो भी ठीक हो जाए। क्या लिखा? 108 पेज कौन सा एनेक्शर है वकील साहब? आपने कुछ मेहनत नहीं की है, मेहनत मैंने की है आपके पक्षकार के लिए। आप ना तो कोई जजमेंट लेकर आए, ना सही बात बता पाते हैं। हाँ, बताइए कौन सा 108? उसमें उसको लास्ट का मॉडिफाई हो जाएगा, लिखिएगा। द representative of the bank who had appeared before the authorities, departmental inquiry officer, had in cross-examination admitted that all the 3 bank accounts which were shown in regard to charge number 1 were closed by the loanee, that is, he had paid the loan amount, and therefore once the loan amount was paid, then no infirmity could have been attributed towards the petitioner, full stop. Though Shruti submits that the loan amount was paid subsequent to issuance of charge sheet, but कहाँ लिखा है उसने कि चार्ज शीट होने के बाद पेज हाँ हाँ पेज 56 जी। पच्चीस अप्रैल 13 का है ना, आफ्टर हाँ ठीक है। In view of such facts, even charge number 1 is not proved. Accordingly, petitioner deserves to be exonerated and petition is allowed। और वो कर दीजिएगा लास्ट में तो ठीक। चलिए, डिसिप्लिनरी अथॉरिटी का मत भेजिएगा इनको। Reinstated or if he has crossed the age of superannuation, he will be paid back wages and other pensionary benefits etc. as per his entitlement। अच्छा ठीक है, बचा होगा, इफ कर दिया ना, और कर दिया है। चलिए,
पहली होगी।
जैसा कोऑपरेटिव नाम है वैसा ही कोऑपरेटिव बैंक का काम नाम है। हैं? हाँ? 1.1 में क्या है?
बैंक has filed it. The pendency of this petition, the petitioner's wife opposed the minor paper.
हाँ,
They have directed us to allow him joining.
चलिए लिखिएगा, दिस पिटीशन इज नाउ रेंडर्ड इनफ्रक्चुअस बिकॉज 1.1 बिकॉज petition filed by the employee Ram Bharos Mahobia has been allowed, and therefore the direction of the National Commission for Scheduled Caste does not call for any indulgence. I am not commenting on it. Therefore, without commenting on the decision of National Commission for Scheduled Caste, petition is disposed of. आप किसके लिए इसमें? नेशनल कमीशन के लिए? आशीष श्रोती फॉर द पिटिशनर, श्री पुष्पेंद्र यादव फॉर रिस्पॉन्ड नंबर 1, श्री शुभ नाम क्या है आपका? सुनील कुमार सिंह फॉर रिस्पॉन्ड नंबर 2। क्या बिजली नहीं है क्या? एसी नहीं चल रहा? पंखा तेज कराइए, उसको बोलिए जमादार को। जी जी। क्या? Why he is not present? हैं? अच्छा, तो कौन आए हैं ये? हाँ, क्या मैटर क्या है बताइए। जी। हाँ हाँ।